I've been awake for 30 hours now. Here's a quick recap. मैं हूँ मुंबई में on a work trip and till now I haven't got a minute of sleep. And this time when I tried to nap, I got called in for hair and makeup. उसके बाद तो लगा चलो अब तो रेस्ट मिल ही जाएगा. More colleagues arrived in my room. So yeah, I gave up on the idea of sleeping entirely and just went back to working and reading my book. I've been sitting in this room for the past 10 hours. Can you imagine? 10 ghante. So what do you do when you're running on zero sleep? You eat. So I ordered myself a coffee and cinnamon pancakes because at this point food was my only comfort. Now it's 8 p.m. and I'm still Yep, you got it. You guessed it right. Waiting. I was on standby, so I started doing my nails because, why not? 1.5 hours later, finally, it's my turn. And the shot, banger. Totally worth the wait. उसके बाद क्या? उसके बाद फिर से फ्लाइट कैच करनी है गाइस. घर तो आना है ना. So I started getting ready for airport. He's the guy who made me come at 6 a.m. in the morning. है ना? Oh my God. The guy I embarrassed myself in front of is Sohil from the crew. Like Vaishnavi, इतना educated होने के बाद ये English बोल रही है. What's wrong with you? Oh guys, flight का time पता है क्या है? 1:15 a.m. By this point, I was so sleep deprived, running on 6 cups of coffee and officially in zombie mode. But guys, zombies को भी भूख लगती है. So obviously, मैं कहाँ पहुँची? Starbucks. I don't think I've ever been this exhausted in my life. मेरी lower back dead थी, मेरे shoulders दर्द हो रहे थे. All I wanted was a bed, but मेरे आगे पूरी journey बची थी. Which is why, yes, I cried. But it was nothing that a little caffeine couldn't fix. Delhi पहुँचने के बाद, just to mess with my life a little bit more, मेरा लगेज डिले हो गया for 30 minutes at 4 a.m. Amazing. भाई मैं कैब में सोना चाहती थी but it was 4 a.m. and need I say more? But despite everything, I loved the shoot experience. I have been awake for 48 hours officially and I've loved and occasionally hated every single minute of it. And now it's time to finally sleep.